One of the best letters ever sent to shame Gandhi for his role in the Moplah riots was by two people. One is Sankaran Nair of the Congress himself, and then Annie Besant. If somebody had received a letter in the language that Annie Besant had sent to Gandhi, I would have expected that gentleman to commit suicide after that. Page number 519, the dangerous game played by the leaders of Khilafat and the non-cooperation movements in Malabar, which set the whole of the region ablaze and the extent of plunders, murders, and forcible conversions. Refugees narrate that after forcibly removing young and fair Nair and other high caste girls from their parents and husbands, the Moplah rebels stripped them of their clothing and made them march in their presence, that is, in the presence of their families, naked. And finally, they committed rape upon them. In certain instances, devoid of human feelings and blinded by animal passion, the Moplahs are alleged to have utilized a single woman for the gratification of the carnal pleasures of a dozen or more men. The rebels also seem to have captured beautiful Hindu women, forcibly converted them, pierced their holes in their ears in the typical Moplah fashion, dressed them as Moplah women, and utilized them as temporary partners in life. Hindu women were threatened, molested, and compelled to run half naked for shelter to forests abounding in wild animals. Respectable Hindu gentlemen were forcibly converted, and the circumcision ceremony performed with the help of certain local priests of the Muslim community or the clerics. Hindu houses were looted and set fire to. Will not all these atrocities remain as a shameful image of the Hindu-Muslim unity, of which we have heard much from the non-cooperation party and the Khilafatwalas? The ghastly spectacle of a number of Hindu damsels being forced to march naked in the midst of a number of licentious Moplahs cannot be forgotten by any self-respecting Hindu, nor can it be erased from their minds. Subsequently, this entire massacre and genocide was given the character of a peasant rebellion by the communists of India. And that is what is taught in our textbooks.